You think you are resting. You lie down. You close your eyes. You drift off for 7 hours. But when you wake up, you feel like you were hit by a truck. Brain fog, achy joints, irritability, a headache behind your eyes that feels like a dull knife. If that sounds like your morning, let me tell you the hard truth. You aren't sleeping. You are just losing consciousness. Imagine your city street. All day, cars drive by. Trash falls on the pavement. Birds leave droppings. If you never clean the street, eventually it's a heap of filth. Your brain is the city. All day, neurons fire. Toxins build up. Chemical waste accumulates. How do you clean it? You sleep. When you enter deep sleep, a system in your brain called the glymphatic system activates. Your brain cells actually shrink. This opens up space between them. A special fluid called cerebrospinal fluid rushes in like a flood. It pushes out the trash, the dead cells, the broken proteins. It's a power wash for your mind. But here is the problem. If you don't enter deep sleep, the cleaning crew doesn't come. The trash stays, and the trash accumulates. In neurology, we call these trash molecules amyloid beta and tau proteins. Imagine a tangled ball of fishing line. That is an amyloid plaque. If you don't clean it out, it hardens. It suffocates the neuron. This is the pathology of Alzheimer's disease. Why isn't your glymphatic system working? Why are you tired even after 10 hours in bed? Because you have an enemy. Cortisol. Cortisol is the stress hormone. In a healthy cycle, cortisol drops at night. The sun goes down, cortisol goes down, melatonin comes up, you sleep. But if you are stressed, if you have blue light in your eyes at 11 p.m., your cortisol stays high. It keeps your brain in sympathetic mode. Alert, danger, the tiger is nearby. You can lie down, you can shut your eyes, but if your cortisol is high, the glymphatic system is blocked. You might hit deep sleep for 20 minutes, but then you pop back up to stage 1 or stage 2 light sleep. You float on the surface. This is the problem. The power wash happens in stage 3, deep, and stage 4, REM. If you can't get there, the trash stays. And tomorrow morning, you wake up with brain fog. That fog is the pile of metabolic waste your brain couldn't wash away. The modern world has built 2 massive barriers to sleep. Barrier 1, blue light. There is a small cluster of cells in your eye called the suprachiasmatic nucleus. It acts as a sun sensor. When it sees blue light, it signals the brain to stop producing melatonin. It signals morning. When you look at your phone at 10:30 p.m., your brain doesn't think it's night. It thinks you're staring at the sky at noon. It kills the sleep signal. Barrier 2, temperature. To sleep, your core body temperature must drop by about 1 to 2 degrees Fahrenheit. The body sheds heat through your hands and feet. But here is the mistake modern people make. They wear warm socks. They keep the house at 72 degrees, 22 C. They take hot showers before bed. This prevents the temperature drop. If your body can't cool down, the sleep signal never fires. You feel tired, but you remain awake because your body temp is stuck in the daytime zone. If you want to reclaim your life, you need to reclaim your sleep. You cannot perform on a dirty brain. Step 1. The 10-3-2-1 rule. No screens 10 hours before you want to sleep. No food 3 hours before. No caffeine 2 hours before. Adherence to this rule alone fixes 50% of sleep disorders. Step 2. The 2 a.m. shutdown. This is for the grinders. If you work late, your brain is revving too high. You need a buffer, a cool-down period. No laptop, no work, no email after 2 p.m. Allow the mind to decelerate. Otherwise, you bring your stress into the bedroom. Step 3. The thermal hack. Take a warm bath 90 minutes before bed. Why? Because when you step out of the warm bath, your body temp rapidly drops to cool the blood back to your core. This rapid drop signals the brain temperature is falling, time to sleep. For the 1%, sleep isn't about not being tired, it is about anabolic growth. HGH, human growth hormone, is released in pulses during deep sleep. This hormone repairs muscle, it burns fat, it builds connective tissue. If you sleep 6 hours, you might get a tiny pulse of HGH. If you sleep 8 hours deep, you get a tidal wave. You are training hard, you are eating right, but if you are stealing your recovery by staring at a screen, you are wasting the training. You are a car with the gas pedal floored, but no engine oil. You will burn out. Sleep is the single best performance enhancer known to science. It is legal, it is free, and yet 70% of the population treats it like an optional luxury. Don't be part of the 70%. Be the 1% who respects the machine. Dim the lights, cool the skin, wash the brain. Sleep.